Good morning, adventurers. It is a beautiful, beautiful day today. 8 o'clock in the morning. We are here at Rice Lake State Park in southern Minnesota. Let's check it out. Alright, I'm just getting started here. And I don't know if you can hear that, but there's some cooing and stuff going on the lake over there. Heard some roosters crowing already. This is exciting. It is about 65 degrees. It's a nice, cool morning. There's some awesome fog on the drive-in. Misty morning. Alright. Not too far in, just about 5-10 minutes. And come to our first little glimpse of Rice Lake. Beautiful morning. Like I said, there was tons of fog on the drive down here. But it looks like it's clearing up beautifully now. Beautiful lake today. I didn't realize that this pier thing was going to be here. I was going to bring my fishing pole, but I forgot it. I'm really bummed. But that's okay. We're going to have a good time anyway. Rice Lake State Park is just east of Ottawa, Minnesota. About 10-15 minutes east of Ottawa. It surrounds Rice Lake. Obviously, the state park surrounds the entire Rice Lake. And it was founded in 1963 to protect the wetlands here, because it's an important migrating location for birds. This is a good stop for them to rest and get some food on their way up north and when they go back down south. Alright, surprised me a little bit. We broke out onto this beautiful meadow. Wasn't expecting that at all. Awesome. I thought these were sunflowers. They are not. They're called compass plants. Check this out. This is another compass plant, but look at all the bugs on it. Look at it. They're eating it alive. There's one over here. They're just getting started. These are some wild bergamot. Wild bergamot. Gorgeous. I always love the purples. Alrighty, folks. We have come out onto the road here, and I see my car just ahead. That was a beautiful hike today. Nice and cool, still nice and cool. Tons of birds chirping. I loved the roosters crowing when I got here. Yeah, beautiful day. Rice Lake State Park. They also have normal campgrounds. They have some cart-in sites. They have, it looks like a couple of backpacking sites out there. A good portion of the hike had a very foul outhouse smell, which probably half of the hike, it was super strong. It was just disgusting. And I don't know if it was the outhouses, because there were many outhouses, or if it's just a lake or something, the swamp. But yeah, it's a beautiful day here. It was about 2.7 miles. Took me about an hour, and it was fun. Appreciate you joining me, and I'd appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button and join me next week on Happy Trails Backpacking.